Fact check breakdown. Russia-Uganda military support. Indian Ocean claims and Muhoozi TikTok video. Number one, background of the claim. Viral claims across Africa recently. Social media platforms, especially TikTok and X, Twitter, were flooded with claims involving President Museveni, General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, Russia, and the Indian Ocean. Netizens from across Africa expressed shock, curiosity, and concern. The controversy began after a video of Museveni surfaced where he spoke forcefully about maritime issues. Shortly afterward, a TikTok video claimed General Muhoozi gave Kenya 8 hours to surrender the Indian Ocean to Uganda. Meanwhile, reports that Russia had supplied military equipment to Uganda added fuel to the online storm. This mix of verified content, speculation, and AI-generated media created confusion across social platforms. Russia supplied military equipment to Uganda. The status is verified. Russia did supply military equipment to Uganda, according to published sources. This included weapons and vehicles, reportedly intended to strengthen Uganda's defense capabilities. Some Kenyans online speculated that the delivery could be linked to Uganda's recent sentiment about the Indian Ocean, interpreting it as a preparation for a potential maritime conflict. However, there is no official evidence connecting Russia's military support to any disputes over the Indian Ocean. The equipment delivery aligns with ongoing military cooperation between Russia and Uganda, not necessarily maritime ambitions. 3. Museveni's Indian Ocean comments. Status is true with context. President Museveni's video is real. He spoke strongly about the Indian Ocean and Uganda's maritime concerns. However, the interpretation that he claims ownership is questionable.
That ocean belongs to me. Because where is my ocean? I am entitled to that ocean. In future we are going to have wars. The Americans are now saying they want to be superior in land forces, on land. They want to be superior in the air force. They want to be superior at sea, navy. They want to be superior in space. And they have all been to the moon. The Americans have been to the moon, the Russians, the Chinese, the Indians have now gone. You fellows, you are here on Earth. Those fellows are on the moon, looking at you like insects. I don't like to be in that situation. That's why I say, you people, why don't you see how to unite? Because Uganda, even if you wanted to build a navy, how can you build it? We don't have access to the sea. The political organization in Africa is so irrational. Some of the countries have no access to the sea. For economic purposes, but also for defense purposes, you are stuck. How do I export my products? That's why we have got endless discussion with Kenya, then this one stops, then another one comes, then the railway, the pipeline, the what, we discuss. But that ocean belongs to me. Because where is my ocean? I am entitled to that ocean. In future we are going to have wars.
Guys, Uganda received military armored vehicles from Russia worth 53 million US dollars on 29th October, that is last month. So you heard what Museveni said about Indian Ocean, the part of the Indian Ocean owned by Kenya. There's a time his son Muhoozi said given opportunity he would use a few hours to attack and take over Nairobi. Remember, Museveni is investing heavily militarily. So let us not take his words lightly.
International law is clear. No country owns the oceans except for territorial waters, 12 nautical miles, and exclusive economic zones that's up to 200 nautical miles. Uganda, being landlocked, has neither. Museveni's anger could reflect regional maritime tensions or undisclosed negotiations, but it does not equate to legal ownership. For public reaction and netizen comments, across Africa, reactions range from amusement to criticism. One popular comment said, "You can have power in your country, but in another country you have to lower it." While many Africans viewed Museveni's statement with skepticism, some TikTok users and Kenyan netizens speculated that Russia's military support could somehow be linked to the Indian Ocean statements, despite a lack of evidence.
My friend, you can have power in your country, but don't think that that power you can use it to other countries. You can have every access to your country, but when you step to the neighboring country, which is Kenya, not even neighboring countries, that power, you have to lower it. You have to lower it, or else. If you don't want to see tomorrow, try it. If you don't want to see tomorrow, try it. The village, Uganda is just a village in Kenya. When you took that map of Uganda, you put it somewhere, we still have some. My friend, Uganda, come for war.
5. Muhoozi's TikTok video thread. Status is false, AI generated. The TikTok video showing General Muhoozi giving Kenya 8 hours to surrender the Indian Ocean.
I give Kenya 8 hours to surrender the Indian Ocean to Uganda.
Is AI manipulated? Deepfake technology created the video, combining synthetic audio and visuals. There is no official confirmation from any government or military source supporting this threat. Despite this, many viewers believed it immediately.
I've got some breaking news for you. Now listen to this. The son of Museveni, that is General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, has said that he is waiting for the green light from Museveni, his father. That Museveni just has to give Muhoozi 8 hours so that he can capture the Indian Ocean. Oh, by the way, how do you capture the Muhoozi general? How do you capture the Indian Ocean? I mean, I want to remind you, you stayed here in Kenya. When your father was in the bush fighting, you were brought here in Kenya. You stayed at around Kajiado or Nakuru, somewhere around there. And please, don't insult Kenyans. I know, some countries have got this kind of attitude of looking down upon Kenyans. Stop insulting our intelligence as Kenyans. Muhoozi, I've called you 2 times. Muhoozi, Kaineru. Hata si wewe Ugandans, it is not Kainerugaba, it is Kainerugaba. Kainerugaba since when?
Demonstrating how viral AI content can spread misinformation. Overall verdict. Museveni video, true, he spoke forcefully, but ownership of the ocean is exaggerated. Muhoozi TikTok video, false, AI generated, not real. Yes, Russia supplied military equipment verified. Some Kenyans speculated linked to maritime tensions, but there's no evidence. The key takeaway: while Russia's military support is confirmed, its connection to the Indian Ocean dispute is purely speculative. Uganda cannot legally claim the ocean, and AI videos like Muhoozi's highlight the need for careful verification before sharing viral contents.